Here it is, the 3D printed MR16 lamp from Viking Zone. Part of the 3D Light collection. Stylish, functional, and fully 3D printed. Let's put it together. Time to assemble! Let's screw the base to the body. Nice, tight, and ready to spin just right. Time for the wiring. We're setting it up with a cable, a terminal block, and a GU10 socket. And now, the star of the show, our favorite MR16 bulb to bring the lamp to life.
Little but important detail. We're adding a zip tie so the cables don't get pulled. Safety first.
Now for the final assembly. We place everything inside the tubular body, leaving the bulb flush with the edge. Screw on the front cover, feed the cable through the hole in the base, and that's it. The lamp is ready to mount on the wall and hook up to power. If the head feels a bit loose, no problem. Just tighten the screw a little more and it'll stay solid and steady. I'm loving how this lamp turned out. Hope you like it too. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you won't miss any project. Big greetings and see you in the next one.